Hello everyone, welcome back again another new video. As you can see, my surrounding is totally completely full of water, and today in this video I'm gonna talk about how you can make sounds more like a British people, more you can talk like more like a native speakers. I'm not gonna say that I speak in British accent or my accent is gonna be more like a native people, but I wanted to share you how I'm trying to make sounds more like a native speaker, how I can improve my pronunciation, enhance my pronunciation more like a British people. I like the way in the UK people speak, so that's why a different way I have been learning this kind of accent or pronunciation for the last 2 years. And the first of all, what you have to do, you have to imitate the native speaker in the UK, or whether if you are interested about in American accent or pronunciation, you can also follow them. The first of all, you have to learn about the IPA, International Phonetics Alphabet, which will absolutely help you to learn or make sounds more like a native speakers. And if I talk about the British accent in the UK, and UK has a different sort of accent like a Scottish, Cockney, RP, MRP, Birmingham, or also posh accent or different kind of accent. So there is some series, like if I talk about Peaky Blinder, where people is speaking probably in Birmingham accent, or also different kind of series that you can learn, that you can watch and try to make sounds like them. And I'm literally trying to learning like in MRP accent, which is called the modern receive pronunciation, and most of the people speak like learning this accent, which is granted all over the UK. And if you learn about the different kind of accent in the local area of UK, they use the glottal stops very often in the sort of accent. Like in the people, instead of saying a bottle of water, sometimes they might say a bottle of water, or for example they might say, oh, my daughter live in a big city. Like they don't pronounce the T sound often in their language. Like they start their T, stuck their T sound inside of their throat, and instead of using T sound, they replace it into the probably Shaw sound, which is a very popular sound in the phonetics alphabet, phonetic sound. So if you can pronounce or utilize the Shaw sound very well, maybe you will be able to speak 40% of English pronunciation, British pronunciation very well. So you have to learn the IPA, and you have to listen the podcast. And in order to learn the RP accent, I can give you some suggestions, some YouTube channel that you can follow, and you can learn the RP British accent. And I know that my accent is not quite like the people from UK. You might thinking that you can't speak like them, so why you're suggesting this kind of advice or something like that. Actually, I have a little bit of vocal tone like them because I have been following them for a quite long time. So what you can do to learn this kind of accent or pronunciation, you have to follow some YouTube channel. You can follow English with Lucy, or you can follow ETJ English with Elliot, or you can also follow English like a native, and this sort of will absolutely help you to getting this kind of accent or pronunciation. That's what I wanted to say in today's video lesson. So that's all about today. So I hope you will enjoy the video, and you will try to utilize the way that I told you. And you also have to, any particular person who is speaking the RP accent in the UK, he can be any kind of actor or any kind of football or cricket player. So you can also listen some kind of football or cricket commentary where the people is speaking the UK or British accent. So you can listen podcast. I can suggest you Level Up English podcast that might help you to learn the British accent as well, or also the British culture as well. So that's what I wanted to say in this video, and thank you for watching this one.